out the big ones. Well, lots of metal shavings later, 3 broken bits, and boom. Holy jackpot. This is my machine, by the way. So yeah, I just wanted to cut in with the voiceover here while all this is going on, because I did a really terrible job of setting this video up. Had no real direction when I started. I was just trying to get all the coins out of my machine. See, I lost the key to the Gumball machine in one of my most recent moves. And so I decided to drill out the lock, and there I am. So here's the deal with this video. I'm going to give away all of this money if you can guess the exact amount. Leave your guess in the comments below, and I will let you know who won in the next Gumball machine video.